Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm creating this very beautiful soft glam Indian makeup look. It's extremely easy to do and very quick to create. And for all the beginners out there, this is the perfect look for you. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, first I'm going to take my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel and I'm going to hydrate entire of my face and neck. This helps keep the face hydrated all day long and doesn't let the foundation cake. I'm mixing two of my foundations today. I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and the Superstay foundation. A mix of both of these is what I'm loving right now, and with a damp beauty sponge I've just blended all of this. I'm going to take the MAC Prep and Prime on my sponge and I'm just going to press this on entire of my base. This is going to help set the base in place, and also it's going to hydrate the base and not make it look cakey at all. Using the Fit Me concealer, I'm just going to go in and conceal my eyes. I'm also going to highlight with this under my brow bone, on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, and on my chin. And I'm just going to blend that away. I'm going to set the entire of my concealer with the translucent Laura Mercier loose powder. I just take it on my sponge and then I'm going to just press it in, especially under my eyes and on top of my lids. If you guys have been subscribed to me for a while, you would know that I love a good bronzer. I'm using the 025 Sun Glow from Rimmel. I've hit the pan on this one. It's such a beautiful bronzer. It is a very subtle orange brown kind of a bronzer, and it looks beautiful on, I think, all Indian skin tones. I'm just bronzing very lightly on the hollows of my cheeks, on my temples, a bit on my forehead, and also on my chin, just to give that warmth. I'm not going to contour here. I think a bronzer looks absolutely stunning whether it's summer or winters. It brings the entire look together. So with my Real Techniques face brush, I'm just going to bronze the entire of my face. For brows today, I'm using the Wet n Wild brow pencil. With the help of the spoolie, I'm going to brush down the hair of my brows, and then I'm only going to fill the gaps in the brows. I don't want a very dark brows. I want very subtly filled brows. For eyes today, I'm going to be going into the Sofix palette from Makeup Revolution. Absolutely stunning palette, totally loving it, so versatile. The first shade I'm going to pick up is Iced Coffee. I'm using my PAC 210 brush for blending this as my transition color and blending it on top of my crease. With the same brush, I'm going to pick up Kappa Tea, which is a slightly brown color, and I'm going to be blending this into my crease. And I'm going to blend this above but not take it beyond the first shade, Iced Coffee, which I had blended as my transition shade. Now with a P15 brush from Wet n Wild, I'm going to be taking the shade Peaches and I'm going to be putting this directly into my crease and blending it inwards. I'm going back to my PAC 210 brush and blending everything together. I'm now going to go back to the palette and pick up this very reddish pinkish shade called Pumpkin with my P15 brush, and I'm going to start putting this on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm going to blend this in my crease and not take anywhere above and blend this well. Again, going back with my fluffy pack brush and blending everything together. Remember, blending is the key to having perfect eyeshadow look. Now I'm going to go back into the palette and pick up this very glittery gold color called Grow Old, and I'm going to pick this up from my finger and place it in the center of my eyelid and towards the inner corners. Now using a flat brush and taking this shade Fairy Lights, and I'm going to place this as my highlight on my brow bone. For my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the P15 brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to pick up Peaches and Pumpkin and place this on my lower lash line very lightly. Now I'm really liking this shade Pumpkin on my lower lash line, so I'm going to go in with a pencil brush from PAC. It's their 208 brush, and I'm going to sharpen this color even further on my lower lash line. And again, with the help of the fluffy blending brush, I'm going to blend in everything that I placed on my lower lash line. With the help of the PAC pen liner, I'm going to be doing a very small wing. I love doing a winged liner and I feel it looks perfect on my eyes. To open up my eye even further, I'm going to be using this nude eye pencil, and I'm going to be placing this in my lower lash line. For blush today, I'm using this beautiful peachy pink color from Color Bar, and I'm going to be placing this with a blush brush on my cheeks. Time to apply my favorite face product. I love highlighters, and today I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Rose Gold. I'm going to be placing this on the high points of my face. Now I'm going to be generously spraying the MAC Prep and Prime to set the entire makeup. To complete my eye look, I'm first going to be going in with a mascara, and then I'm going to be putting a pair of falsies. Now these falsies from PAC are something that I'm loving these days. I think no Indian look is complete without a beautiful bindi, so I'm going in with these ones today. For lipstick today, I'm going to be using this lipstick from Nykaa. It's in the shade 01 Helen. This color is so versatile, and I think it's going to be super flattering on most Indian skin tones. So guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you like this soft glam Indian look. If you have any questions for me, please do leave it in the comment box below. But don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon and the like button. Until I see you next, love you all.